If you're new to the Call for Code Global Challenge, you may be wondering how to get started on your project. This demo will take you through some of the great resources that are available to help you get started. One great place to start is the landing page of the Global Challenge platform. There's a lot of great information on this landing page as you scroll through, descriptions and information about how the challenge works. For some of you, a great first step may be forming your team. You may already have some friends or colleagues registered for the Global Challenge who are ready to join your team, or you may need help finding team members with similar interests in sustainability. Go to the Resources tab on the platform and look for the page called Team Formation. There are instructions here on how to find other people who are looking for a team, or on how to connect on the Call for Code Slack workspace. When you join the Call for Code Slack workspace, the team building channel is a great place to find others and form your team. When you join this channel, you'll get instructions on how to fill out a template to help you find other teammates. There's also a great video tutorial on how to interact in that Slack workspace. So this is, again, in the Resources tab of the platform. Look for the team formation instructions. Now, back on the resources page, there are several other pages here that will help you get started. Take a look at the 2022 Call for Code Global Challenge problem prompts. This document includes many real-world use cases where technology can help solve sustainability issues. Spend some time reviewing this document to understand what we mean when we say sustainability. There are problems in areas like carbon emissions, clean energy, biodiversity, and more, where your technology solution can make a real difference for communities in need. Review this document to get ideas, to be inspired, and to find additional resources to do some research on your own. Remember, Call for Code is looking for unique solutions to real-world problems. So research is really critical to understanding the problems that our society is facing around sustainability. Once you understand those problems, you can start to design solutions that are going to be effective. So again, that is in the resources page. Look for the problem prompts document. So now you've formed a team. You've started looking at what problems you want to address with a technology solution. How do you actually start building that solution? Again, on the resources page, take a look at the IBM Cloud Account Setup instructions. These step-by-step instructions will take you through what you need to do to get set up with your cloud account for your team. There are also many other toolkits, APIs, and datasets available to Call for Code participants. So take a look at this page to learn more about the resources available to you from our Call for Code ecosystem. Back on the resources page, we've also got a Ready for Call for Code skills learning plan. The Ready for Call for Code learning plan includes a lot of great free training resources on both sustainability and technology. If there are any tools or technology areas that you're not familiar with, this is a great place to go learn more and grow your skills. Again, on the resources page, check out the solution requirement checklist. This will take you through all of the deliverables that your team will need to submit as part of your project submission. It's good to look at this early when you're planning your project, and often to make sure that your team is building all of the pieces that are required. Finally, if you have additional questions that these resources don't cover, there is a participant frequently asked questions page that should answer many of your questions. Also review the participation agreement that you signed when you registered for the Global Challenge. That will answer a lot of your questions about the projects as well.